Hey everybody, Tracy Brown here. It's actually kind of getting close to evening. I don't usually do evening videos, but kind of got started slow today. And I just finished up doing some softball practice with my little one. So just gonna spend a few minutes here talking to you all about yesterday and your Thanksgiving and how it went for you. So I'd love to hear in the comments that you had Thanksgiving if you did. Of course, I know that not everybody who watches this is in the United States. So anything that I talked about on Wednesday night's live stream would apply to this question too, is what did, let's say, Thanksgiving in the States, or if you are doing any kind of social eating or trying new recipes or eating with other people, I'd love to hear a little bit about, we're debriefing today from the holiday meal, or if you did not celebrate, the last challenge you had with the fear food, the last challenge you had with stopping and slowing down to recognize different nuances with your fullness. I would just love to hear more. So if anybody, please, I would love somebody to give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, because I got my earbuds in and they don't always work great. So if somebody could give me a thumbs up that the audio is coming in good, I'd love to hear that. So before I keep going on this video. Thank you, Megan. You gave me a heart. I appreciate that. All right, so I would love to hear from any of you. How did it go? Whew, the bugs already out. So I would love to hear from any of you. How did it go yesterday? How did eating maybe a bigger variety of food? Made it through yesterday. Well, I'm good. That's good, Deb. Today I'm struggling. Okay. So remember what I talked about in Wednesdays around self-care, is that it's not just the holiday meal or the day, it's what do we have available for us to not, again, event restrict. If we have a little bit of a vulnerability hangover or a kind of, if you're a white knuckling through it a little bit, what do you have that allows for more rest? I mean, I slept in today. Of course, I had a great day yesterday, of course, because I've practiced that a lot. But I had a great day with food, with family, not taking it all too seriously. Of course, live TV. I'll be right with you.
Mommy,
I'll be right back, everybody.